Okay guys, let's start. 3, 2, 1, start. First plank and cross mountain climber. This is going to be a slow burn, you guys. So slow but effective. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Don't forget to exhale every time you tuck in your knee. Next, elbow plank and walk back and forth. When you walk to the front, exhale while tucking your belly a little bit more. Climb it, reach it, do not stop. Next, some rotation plank. Middle, right, middle, left. Do not drop your hips too much. Always tuck in your tummy and activate those core. Yes. Next, plank and downward dog. Plank, activate those core. Reach into the downward dog. If you are not flexible enough, just raise your calf like this. Exhale when you go up to the downward dog. Next, swinging plank. Go back to the full plank and swing 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep on going. Sweating is dripping, but dedication is never leaving my side. I am sweating, you guys. So let's start. 3, 2, 1, start. Alright, we're gonna do like lunges and up. Don't forget to activate your core. When you do, tucking your knee to your chest. This is also stretching our hip flexor. Don't forget to chest up. Wow. If you are a beginner, just do this. It's really fine. Wow. Next, my favorite part, commandos. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Use your shoulders, upper body. Keep your core tight. Alright, we're gonna switch. Now left first. Make sure your core stays active. Wow, 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 wow. Next, side plank with some mermaid opening. This is gonna train our butt. If you have some kind of resistance band, this is the time to use it. And we're gonna do some isolation, isometric, and hold. Wow. If this is not a slow burn, I don't know what is. Whew. My shoulders are burning. Ah. Next, other side. Okay, first, up and down. Always push your hips forward and up. Keep your chest open and isometric hold. Hang on to your booties and to your shoulders. Let that sweat dripping from your face. Keep on going and holding. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. The last move, we're gonna do some elbow plank and do some mountain climber. If you're having difficulties in activating your core, just more up like this. Wow, I feel it now. See your sweat dripping on the yoga mat or the floor. That's your dedications, but do not stop. Wow, you guys, please look at the sweat. I know you guys at home are sweating too with me. So don't forget to check out my other videos and work out with me at this channel. Bye bye.